2024 has been a big year here at Area 419 with more than a dozen new product releases spanning reloading, Arc-A-Lock, Hellfire, scope mount accessories. If you've missed one, we understand, but let's go through each of them right now and get you caught up. The big one in the Arc-A-Lock family this year is the dual clamp. You get Picatinny clamping, Arc-A-Lock. You can turn that Arc-A-Lock on or off for use with our rails or someone else's rails. The Arc-A-Lock dual clamp is a big one for us this year. It's $165. Check it out now. Also in the Arc-A-Lock family, we have a small one, a simple one, but an important one with the Vector X Arc-A-Lock mount. The Vector X is an exciting range-finding binocular that was released this year by Vectronics. On that, they were very smart to put a hard point for mounting accessories just like this. So if you've got a Vector X and you don't have one of these Arc-A-Lock mounts, it's just $80. Check it out. It's a great addition to that product. And the last one really in the Arc-A-Lock family, and this isn't a big one, but it's a color variation we've been asked for many times. Our 12-inch M-Lock Arc-A-Lock rail is now available in FDE. It's the same price as the black one, but you can get it now because we all know that if you've got an FDE rifle and everything's not a different color FDE, is it really an FDE rifle? Check this one out. Let's get into reloading. We'll start with the Area 419 Universal Decapping Die. This is a really simple one. It's a spring-loaded decapper because nobody likes primer drawback into their brass. Starts at just $50. It's simple. It'll work for anything from 223 up to 338 Lapua. It's got interchangeable decap pins. It's a simple one. It'll make your life easier. Next, you guys all know our M-Series sizing die. It's a flagship sizing die. It's unbelievable. You've got micrometer adjustability for your headspace. Nothing else like it on the market. But it's also a modular system. This year we released, and it's available for purchase, sleeve and mandrel kits. So let's say you bought the die in 6.5 Creedmoor, but now you're shooting 6 Dasher. You have that die, you've made that investment, you want to be able to convert it from one caliber to another. For just $160, you can do that. You get the internal sleeve that's exactly like you would get if you bought an entire additional die, but you can swap it out. You retain all of those features. These are available now so that your M-Series investment can go further. We also have brand new, going to be released during probably the month of November. It's the S-Series sizing die. So this takes many of the core functions and the core features of the M-Series die, minus obviously the micrometer adjustable headspace, and packs them into a die that can work in any 7/8 press. It's meaningfully less expensive at $275. And among standard style sizing dies, we think this is absolutely without peer. Check this one out. It's the S-Series sizing die from Area 419. The final reloading item for us to touch on is one that was kind of a cool project while Ultimate Reloader was here doing content. It is the Zero Press turret storage dock. This goes right on the back of your press. You can hang it off the right side or the left side, and you can put your extra turret with your installed dies right on the back of your press. Easy storage, out of the way, and it allows you to further leverage the benefit of those interchangeable heads on a Zero. A major place that we've made investment in new products this year has been in optic mounting and accessories. We'll start with the simple ones, scope rails. I've got in my hand right now one for a Browning X-Bolt. We've added options for this Browning product, for Ruger American, for Savage products, for 1022. Our line of scope bases continues to grow. Guys, these are high quality. They're made in America, all rounded edges, no snag points. There are no better scope bases you can buy, and the line of these continues to grow in different models for different rifles. We want everybody to have an opportunity that needs one of these to have one to fit their rifle. We also have new this year our Hunt scope rings. These are $190. They're about 4 ounces a set, depending on which SKU you get into. You get a lot of the features of our match scope rings. You get that internal raw board inset finish. It's going to hold your optic exceptionally well. You get the guide pins on the side. They're going to bring that cap straight down and help in the installation process. And they're made of all the high quality materials and high quality finishes you come to expect from our optics line. We also released full cantilever and mid cantilever mounts for your magnified optics. And the full cantilever, this is your carbine style full cantilever. Put that on your AR with your LPVO or larger magnified optic, depending on what you're building. These are available now, as well as a mid cantilever. This is a fairly new style product to the market. As the new high-end optics get larger and larger, think the new Zico, the new Collis, the big Night Forces tend to like a little bit more eye relief, a little more push forward. As optics get bigger, being able to move that forward on your receiver is important. So we're offering this as a mid cantilever to go with our standard centered style tactical mount and our full cantilever carbine style. Both of these available now, $350 a piece. And we also have something that is not released yet, a brand new one. You're going to find out about it yet this year. These are 45 and 35 degree offsets, as well as mounting plates for Acro, for RMR, for Delta Point, your common mounting platforms. So if you're looking for a 45 or a 35 degree offset for either your precision rifle or more specifically your carbine, those are coming very, very soon. Finally, we have the Hellfire Titanium. We just rolled this thing out. It's really light. It's well made. We think that for your precision style hunting rifle, there's no better brake on the market. It uses our Hellfire Universal Attachment System, so it's simple to install. You have all the versatility of our suppressor mounting systems, going from brake to brake, LFS, whatever makes sense for you. The Hellfire Titanium, they're available now. The first batch, specifically the 30 cal, sold very quickly. So we're making more of those, but these are available. They're $180 without the adapter, $215 with the adapter. This is a high performance, high versatility titanium brake, unlike anything else you're going to find on the market. So guys, like I said, 2024 was full. This is a lot of new products in the mix, along with continuing to make more parts of all of our other products than we've ever made before. We're continuing to invest in making sure we can innovate, we can keep things in stock, and we can better serve you with high quality, made in America precision products. If you've got any questions, drop them in the comments below, or if you have a suggestion for a 2025 product, we'd like to learn about that too. So guys, we appreciate you, and we'll talk to you soon.